Good night, Mr. Caterpillar. Sweet dreams.
Until at last, Pooh fell fast asleep and began to dream.
Heffalumps and woodles, heffalumps and woodles, little honey, beware.
They're black, they're brown, they're out, they're down, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware. A heffalump or woozle is very confusing. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twozles, but if they so choozles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If one is what you like, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize. They're white, they're round, they're square, they're a terrible sight. They tie themselves in horrible knots. They come in stripes. Beware, 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 beware. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the things you prize. They're black, they're brown, they're round, they're down, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're gone, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware.
Give me back my cave! Forget about them. At least you're not hurt. My necklace! That's a picture of my mom and dad. And that's me. This is the only thing I have left to remember them by.